just how I look from this angle.
Decided to start a video of removing the ink from an ESPON ET-2400 printer. A lot of the videos that I've seen, there was no specific video for the 2400. And the 2400 has some slight changes to some of the videos, which I noticed, which was kind of frustrating at first, but luckily I am a critical thinker and I figured it out. And thanks to everyone who made those videos to at least get me to, you know, an idea as to what I'm supposed to be doing. So quick story, I used the ink that came with the printer. Knowing I shouldn't have, something in my spirit told me not to do that, because I bought ink for the reason that I bought the printer for. That kind of, you know, set me off, and I've been procrastinating this, and I was like, you know what, I can't do it because it's stopping me from, you know, getting to my dreams, you know, living my dreams. So what I did, I'm not going to like put this back in because not that it was a headache to bring out. I saw a video of this guy doing it. He does it so well. Like, I'm pretty sure he must have like stronger, you know, fingers to me, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, so this is actually closed. Gently closed it. So we're gonna start from the beginning. So there's these two screws here. There's a screw here, as you can see, and there was a screw here. I was going to sit up here like this, so we have to get the dongle out. How you get it out is that you just want to manipulate the plastic as basically gently as you can to get these grooves out of this side and out of this side. So you will pop this out ever so gently. Just manipulate the plastic just a little bit, just to get the dongle to just pop out, you know. So also going in saying this, I have not done this. I have not actually taken the ink out. So we're working with it. We're going with it as I'm doing it. So anyway, so I've taken this off, and as I told you guys, like, I decided to do the video as I was taking it off, because I'm like, okay, this isn't in the video. I can't find anything. So this plastic netting is over what you need to get to the tubes, which are here. All right, so this is pretty much lined in like this, and it was fairly simple getting it out. It's just literally popping up the plastic side. So this side, as you can see, this piece gets locked in underneath this side, and it's not, you can literally see it right there. Okay, so what I used was a tool like this, like you normally get like from the dentist or something, whatever. I used a tool like this and use that side, and basically I literally just boop, move the plastic off of the little piece that's catching it, and then it just popped up. Literally, it just popped up. Okay, and it snaps right back on there. Well, so now that we have gotten the piece off, these are the tubes, and my son, who has different medical conditions, has syringes, different sizes too, so we're gonna hopefully figure out which ones is the best. And we have gloves, so yay. Alright, so I have 3 different syringes that my son gets delivered. I'm kind of upset I can't find the middle one. There's another orange one like this that has, I think it goes up to 10 or 12 milliliters. So we're going to see how these fit. I already see that this one may be too big, but we'll see. It may be one of these. And I'm trying to see if these two are the same size. Because this one is only 1 milliliter and this one is, well, it says 6 right here, but it'll go to like 7, 8. Alright, let's get started. I forgot the gloves, damn it. Apparently there's 2 ways to drain the ink. I think I would prefer to do it this way, to just pull it out. I forgot tissues, so I'm gonna get some tissue. I also have this pad that my son also gets in his deliveries. They just send in abundance, so we're gonna use this. I hope that's like not like the most terrible of angles, but I guess it is. I have this. As you can see, you can drain the ink from here. They said that it would take all day to do that, but we'll see how this tubing works. If I feel like the tube is being stretched from the syringe, then I'll just draw it from the bottom. So let's do this. I'm sorry if it's like kind of out of focus. Trying my best. Let's see if I can draw it from the bottom and see. Ugh. So yeah, I put my phone on Do Not Disturb because apparently everybody wants to call you when you're trying to do something, you know? So, I was taking the tubing off, but I think what I'm going to do is try to draw it from the bottom. The video that said it can take forever is just tedious. I have a 6-7 milliliter syringe, so I'd rather do that instead of risking stretching the tube. So we're going to see how it goes. And I can change the angling of the video. Let's see if it works. It's working. Alright, so the syringe. Okay. Alright. We got something. Alright, so we finished the black, and I do think that drawing it from the bottom was easier. I saw in another video that it seemed like he didn't get a lot of the black out, and I got a lot of my black out. It looks like we could see with the yellow, we'll be able to see how much is actually left over more with the yellow. But we're gonna get started with the yellow. Make sure that you have it. Alright, so we're going to be moving on to magenta next. And just these things should just pop out. Which I can see as you get further. When you get to the blue, I can see how that would be in the way when you're trying to pull it out. But this wasn't that big of a deal. If you want to, I would just suggest taking this plastic off. But it looks like on the blue here that you really gotta stick it back in that groove to make sure that it's flat. And I don't want to touch any of that. Alright. I'm trying to, it's already invasive. We had our last one here. So we're gonna add blue, cyan, whatever you wanna call it, back in. You know, make sure these are back in the grooves. Right. We're gonna remove that. These are the test sheets from after I got all the ink out. This was the first sheet, which, you know, I was expecting some residual. And this was the last sheet, which has nothing on it, which is good news. So we did it. We did it. We did it right. Right? We did it. We did it. We did it right. Yay.